Morning everyone, day 5 of the challenge. So today we're going to now start to combine once again, like day 3, the rectangle, circles and the tools we've learned over the last 4 days into this next challenge. So let's take a look at this one. So here is the challenge today. We have basically a rectangle which is 142.84, well actually it's actually a square. And off that square then we have then some circles off of the centre points of the squares. So we've got 4 lots at 27.5, and we've got an offset of a 12, and then we have a little like fillet then of R35 around the edge. In the centre, okay, we have then our little cross pattern again, which is what we saw on day 3. So hopefully you guys will now think this is another challenge above, okay. Remember the drawing, as always, is in the description below. So look forward to see how you get on this one. Okay, guys, and tune in tonight, 6 PM for the solution. Good luck.